Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, chapter 7, QBasic statements. QBasic is a programming language which is created by Microsoft and it is based upon basic language. Okay, original language is basic. It is very easy to learn and understand because it uses English like words and mathematical symbols that you already know and use. So it is easy to write programs because it uses English words and mathematical symbols. Rules of QBasic. Every programming language has a set of rules that has to be followed while writing a program. Similarly, in QBasic, these are few rules that we need to follow while working on it. So first one is all QBasic programs are made up of series of commands or instructions called statement. So the series of commands or instructions in QBasic program are known as statement. Second, statements are written according to specific set of rules of language which are called syntax. So the statements are written according to a specific set that is called syntax, or you can say it is a formula kind of thing which are specific. Okay, next is every statement should have at least one QBasic command word. So that word basic recognize are called keywords. So these keywords and syntax are used in giving instructions to the computer while programming. So the every statement should have at least one command QBasic command word. Next is statements are executed in the order in which they are written. So if you have written anything in a specific order, they will only execute in that order. Fine. QBasic data. Data is a collection of facts and figures that is entered into the computer through the keyboard. So data, you already know, it is a collection of facts and figure, and with the help of keyboard you enter all the data into the computer. QBasic data is of two types, constants and variable. So the first one is constants. The value which does not change during the execution of the program is called constant. So the value which does not change during the execution of any program that you have written, so that are called constant. Constants are of two types. First one numeric constant and second one alphanumeric or string constants. Numeric constant. Any numeric value, an integer or a real number, it can be positive or negative, is called a numeric constant. Any numeric value that you are dealing with it can be an integer or real number, and it can be positive or negative number. So these are called numeric constant. For example, 224 plus 12, 0, minus 7.54, etc. These are valid numeric constant. Numeric constants should not include any special characters like percentage, hash, brackets, and many more, because these numbers are used for mathematical calculations. जो न्यूमेरिक कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं वो कैलकुलेशन के लिए यूज़ होते हैं प्रोग्राम में. सो इट डज नॉट इंक्लूड एनी स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स. वो स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स नहीं होने चाहिए, वो सिर्फ नंबर होने चाहिए. दैट कैन बी एनी न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू, इंटीजर, रियल नंबर, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, कैसा भी नंबर हो. इट कैन बी अ नंबर विच इज़ यूज फॉर मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन. Next is alphanumeric or string constant. A set of characters is called a string. It consists of a sequence of characters that are small a to z, capital A to z, and 0 to 9, and certain symbol like percentage, question mark, hash, and brackets, double quote, etc. Numbers or alphabets are written in double quote. To make any character or number or alphabet as a string, you need to write that in double quote. Okay, because these constants are used as character, okay, and they are not used for mathematical calculation. इसका मतलब है कि जो सेट ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स हैं उन्हें स्ट्रिंग कहते हैं और इसको हमेशा डबल इन्वर्टेड में ही रखते हैं और वो एज इट इज़ जाता है. वो नंबर्स अगर आप लिख रहे हैं उसमें 0 to 9 अगर नंबर भी लिख रहे हैं, स्टिल वो मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन के लिए यूज़ नहीं होता. तो यही डिफरेंस है न्यूमेरिक कॉन्स्टेंट्स में और अल्फ़ा न्यूमेरिक और स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट में. न्यूमेरिक कांस्टेंट्स होते हैं कैलकुलेशन के लिए यूज्ड और अल्फ़ा न्यूमेरिक और स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन के लिए यूज्ड नहीं होते.